This sound can activate your vagus nerve and shift your body into relaxation. This sound can sync your brainwaves to deep sleep and calm stress. This sound can reduce anxiety and lower your heart rate almost immediately. This sound can repair DNA at a cellular level and reduce stress. This sound can clear mental fog and detox stagnant energy from your body. Your body responds to sound faster than anything else. Use it intentionally. Make sure you follow for more sounds that heal your body and mind, all backed by science.